For our problem statements, many users find it difficult to manage their personal finance because small daily expenses are often forgotten. Most financial applications only notify users after they exceed their budget, which makes spending hard to control. Delayed transaction updates also prevents users from seeing their financial status. To solve this problem, we propose a personal finance management applications that provide early budget alerts before user overspend. The system also improves transaction accuracy and presents spending information clearly through a user-friendly interface, helping user manage their finance more effectively.
My name is Muhammad Akil Adahan bin Ibrahim. My metric number is 105171. Today I would like to present about uh, logical design data flow diagram DFD. Okay, for number one, context diagram. For number two, DFD level 0. Number three, DFD level 1. Okay, for context diagram, as you can see here, this diagram shows how the personal finance management system interact with two main entities, that is user and admin system. Okay, for the user can register, enter expense, set budgets and goals, request financial report, and post in the forum. In return, the system provides expense summaries, budget alerts, goal progress, and a user dashboard. Okay, for the admin system handles admin login, user management, role updates, and system settings. The system sends back user records, system statistic, status report, and financial report to the admin. Overall, the system helps user manage personal finance while allowing admins to monitor and control the system efficiently.
In this slide, we will talk about level 0 DFD. So some of the processes in this level 0 DFD is 1.0 to 8.0, which is account management, transaction management, budget management, goal management, admin access management, dashboard management, process user requests, and user account administration. As you can see, there is two external entities, which is the user and admin. There are 5 data stores, which is number 1 user, number 2 transactions, number 3 budgets, number 4 is goals, and number 5 is analytics report.
Moving on to our user level 1 DFD. First, we have user account setup. Next, we have expense summary. Third, we have budget alert. And fourth, we have the goal status. And lastly, we have financial reports. For the admin side, it consists of admin dashboard data. Second, user records. Third, system statistic. And lastly, system status report.
The FinWise app begins with its logo as it loads, giving users a clean and professional introduction. Immediately after, users are welcomed with a simple interface that lets them either log in or create a new account. Logging in is easy, just type your registered email and password. If you forget your password, FinWise makes recovery simple with a reset option via your registered email. For a new users, signing up is quick. Entering basic information is all that's needed to create an account. Once complete, a confirmation shows that the account is successfully created, and the app smoothly transitions to the main dashboard. The dashboard offers an organized overview of your financial situation, showing your current balance and a snapshot of recent transactions. Users can dive deeper using the calendar view, selecting any date to see financial records for that specific day. Adding a new record is simple. You enter the details, choose a category to organize it, and save. Updates are immediately reflected, keeping all data current and accurate. Reviewing fast entries is effortless with the record list, allowing users to track spending over time. To better understand financial habits, FinWise provides a visual summary that highlights patterns in income and expenses. This makes it easier to make informed decisions about budgeting. Beyond tracking finance, the app encourages community engagement through an online forum. Users can view posts, share tips, and interact with others, making financial management more collaborative. Settings are comprehensive and easy to access. Users can change their security PIN for added protection or enable fingerprint authentication for faster and secure access. Additional preferences allow customization of the app to suit individual needs and make the experience more personal. Overall, FinWise combines security, organization, and insightful financial tracking in one intuitive app. From managing daily expenses to reviewing trends and engaging with a community, it is designed to make personal finance simple, efficient, and empowering. Thank you so much. The FinWise app begins with its logo as it loads, giving users a clean and professional introduction. Immediately after, users are welcomed with a simple interface that lets them either log in or create a new account. Logging in is easy, just type your registered email and password. If you forget your password, FinWise makes recovery simple with a reset option via your registered email. For a new users, signing up is quick. Entering basic information is all that's needed to create an account. Once complete, a confirmation shows that the account is successfully created, and the app smoothly transitions to the main dashboard. The dashboard offers an organized overview of your financial situation, showing your current balance and a snapshot of recent transactions. Users can dive deeper using the calendar view, selecting any date to see financial records for that specific day. Adding a new record is simple. You enter the details, choose a category to organize it, and save. Updates are immediately reflected, keeping all data current and accurate.
Okay, to access the admin panel, we need to log in by entering the admin email and password to ensure secure access. After successful login, the admin is brought to admin dashboard where system information and user status can be viewed. We can manage user by adding new user, editing user information, deleting user, and viewing user list and account status. Okay, the admin can also manage system configuration such as enabling or disabling maintenance mode, user registration, two-factor authentication for user 2FA, or email notification for users. And then the admin can view and update the system information. Overall, the admin panel allows full control over user security and system operation to ensure the application runs safely and efficiently. Okay, based on this slide, there one crucial process flow from the FD, which is login and sign up. So when the user opens the application, the welcome screen is displayed, allowing the user to choose either login or sign up. This starts the user authentication process. If the user selects sign up, the create account interface appears. The user enter details such as name, email, mobile number, and password. After clicking sign up, the system validates the input and stores the data in the user account data store. If the user selects login, the login interface is shown. The user enters their email and password, and the system verifies the credential against the store user data. Once authentication is successful, the system grants access to the application's main features such as budgeting, expense tracking, and savings goal. This process is crucial because it controls system access and ensures that user data is secure.
The most crucial data store is D1, user store. Without the user store, the system has no identity, no security, and no way to connect data to people. Why D1, user store is the most crucial? First, it is the gateway for security, authentication. The system must pull store credentials from D1. If this connection fails, no one can log in. Second, it is the anchor for relationships. Data in other store is homeless without D1. For example, data store transaction D2, a financial record is useless. Lastly, it is the engine for access control. System settings writes role update into D1. You can turn a regular user into an admin. It holds the permission logic for the entire platform.
For conclusions, the project successfully designed a non-operational prototype for a personal financial management applications. The proposed interface addressed key user issues such as overspending, delayed transactions updates, and lacks of financial awareness. Key features includes yearly budget alerts, improved expenses recordings, and clear financial summaries. The prototype effectively illustrates system workflow, user interactions, and data flow based on the DFD. Overall, the design provides a strong foundation for future developments of a practical and user-central financial management system.